Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to handle operations with 3 by 3 matrices. For example, if you are given the matrix A 1 0 2 3 1 0 and 2 4 3, the matrix B 2 1 negative 1 1 0 1 and 3 1 0. We are asked to find A plus B, A times B. Alright, so we have operations involving addition and multiplication. Alright, so let's start with A plus B. So when we add two matrices, remember we have to follow the order. So you copy matrix A first plus matrix B. So when we add two matrices, remember we have to take the first element plus the first element. Okay, so we have 1 plus 2, write down as 1 plus 2. Then we have 0 plus 1, so write as 0 plus 1, followed by 2 plus negative 1, so we have 2 plus negative 1. Then we take the second row, 3 plus 1, so 3 plus 1 here. Then 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, followed by 0 plus 1, so you write as 0 plus 1. And then next, the row 3, we have 2 plus 3, so you write as 2 plus 3, followed by 4 plus 1, so we have 4 plus 1, followed by 3 plus 0, we have 3 plus 0 here. So the next step is to simplify these answers. So 1 plus 2 will give us 3, 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 plus negative 1 is 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 4 plus 1 equals 5, and then 3 plus 0 equals 3. So that's how you handle addition of two matrices. Okay. So next we are asked to find A times B. So in multiplication, remember we have to use row in the first matrix times column in the second matrix. In this example, we have 1 times 2. Follow the arrangement. Okay, first element times the first element, so you have 1 times 2. The second element with second element, 0 times 1, followed by third element, 2 times 3, so you write as 2 times 3. And then next we will use row 1 times column 2. So 1 times 1 will give us 1 times 1 here, followed by 0 times 0, okay, 2 times 1, 2. And then we continue with the third column, 1 times negative 1, you write as 1 times negative 1, followed by 0 times 1, 0 times 1, and then 2 times 0, 2 times 0. Alright, next, repeat the step with the second row. So 3 times 2, you write as 3 times 2, we have 1 times 1, so 1 times 1, 0 times 3, so you have 0 times 3. Followed by row 2, column 2, so 3 times 1, 3 times 1, 1 times 0, 1 times 0 here, and then 0 times 1, you write 0 times 1. Next, we take row 2 and column 3, so 3 times negative 1 here, and then 1 times 1, we write 1 times 1 here, and then followed by 0 times 0, so 0 times 0. So next, repeat with row 3, column 1. So 2 times 2, write down as 2 times 2, followed by 4 times 1, and then 3 times 3. And then take row 3, column 2, 2 times 1, so you write 2 times 1, 4 times 0, we have 4 times 0 here, and then 3 times 1, 3 times 1. And then finally we have row 3, column 3, 2 times negative 1, write as 2 times negative 1, then 4 times 1 here, 4 times 1, and 3 times 0, write as 3 times 0. Okay, so next step is to simplify these elements that we have found. So here we have 1 times 2 will give us 2, 0, 1 is 0, 2 times 3, 6, and then we have 1 times 1 is 1, and then 0 times 0 will give us 0, 2 times 1, 2. Alright, next one, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, 0 times 1, 0, and 2 times 0, 0. Right, followed by 3, 2, 6, 1 times 1, 1, 0 times 3, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 1 times 0, we have 0, 0 times 1, 0, okay? And then we have 3 times negative 1 equals negative 3, 1 times 1 equals 1, 0 times 0 equals 0. And finally we have 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 1, 4, 3 times 3, 9. And 2 times 1, 2 here, 4 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3. Then last we have 2 times -1, -2, 4 times 1, 4, 3 times 0, 0. Okay, so you have to check very carefully so that you don't make silly mistakes here. Okay, so finally we simplify further. So 2 plus 0 plus 6 will give us 8. 1 plus 0 plus 2 equals 3. -1 plus 0 plus 0 is -1. 6 plus 1 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 0 plus 0 is 3. -3 plus 1 is -2. Plus 0 will give us -2. And we have 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 2 plus 0 plus 3 equals 5. And -2 plus 4 equals 2 plus 0. So the answer is 2. So that's how you answer questions related to addition and multiplication of a 3 by 3 matrices. Okay.